Standards Act 2006 passed by Indian Parliament and notified on options 24th July 2006, 24th June 2006, 24th August 2006, 24th November 2006. FSSA Act 2006 passed by Indian Parliament and notified on answer option C 24th August 2006. Next question. How many acts are repealed by Food Safety and Standards Act 2006? Means how many acts are cancelled by Food Safety and Standards Act 2006? Options 4, 5, 7, 8. Answer option D. 8 acts are repealed by Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. These 8 acts are Prevention of Food Adulteration Act, Fruit Products Order, Meat Food Products Order, Vegetable Oil Products Order, Edible Oils Packaging Order, Solvent Extracted Oil, De-oiled Meal and Edible Flour Order, Milk and Milk Products Order and Essential Commodities Act. Next question. Which of these are responsible for the implementation of FSSA? Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Directorate of General Health Service. Which of these are responsible for the implementation of FSSA? Answer option A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. That is, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is responsible for the implementation of FSSA. Next question. Export Quality Control and Inspection Act 1963 comes under in which department? Options: Department of Consumer Affairs of Government of India, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, Export Inspection Council of India, Department of Legal Metrology. Question. In which department Export Act comes under? Answer option C. Export Inspection Council of India. So Export Act comes under Export Council of India. Next question. Standards on Weight and Measurement Act 1976 comes under options: Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Department of Legal Metrology. Question is Standards on Weight and Measurement Act 1976 comes under answer option D. Department of Legal Metrology. Year of this act is also very important, 1976. So it comes under Department of Legal Metrology. Agencies involved behind the planned quarantine, that is Regulation of Import into India Order 2003. Options: Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Food Processing Industry, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Directorate General of Health Service. Agencies involved behind the Regulation of Import into India. Answer option C. Department of Agriculture and Cooperation. Next question. Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986 comes under Department of Consumer Affairs, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation, Department of Legal Metrology. Question is BIS or Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986 comes under answer option A. Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. So BIS comes under Department of Consumer Affairs. Next question. Food security means adequacy of food, ample access to food, reliability of both supply and access. Answer option D. All of the above. Next question. The Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSA) has issued a set of guidelines regarding the recall of dash from the market. Options: unsafe drinking water, unsafe food products, unsafe labeling and unsafe packaging. Question is FSSA has issued a set of guidelines regarding the recall of dash from the market. Answer option B. Unsafe food products. Next question. What has been banned for tea bag products by FSSA from 2018? Options: use of stapler pins, thread for dipping, cloth bag containing tea leaves, herbal tea leaves. Question is what has been banned for tea bag products? Answer Option A. Use of stapler pins. From tea bag products, FSSA banned the use of stapler pins. Next question. FSSA has come out with the draft regulations for dash food products. Options: grain, inorganic, organic, vegetarian. Question: FSSA has come out with the draft regulations for dash food products. Answer: option C, organic. Next question. FSSA has launched which logo for fortified foods? Options: square with an F and a plus sign with a ring. Second option: circle with an F and a plus sign with a ring. Third option: rectangle with an F and a plus sign with a ring. None of the above. Correct answer: option A, square with an F and a plus sign. So the logo for fortified food is F and a plus sign with a ring. Next question. FSSA has set up a scientific panel on options: final regulations on food fortification, preparing strategies to address malnutrition, boosting production and consumption of fortified foods, all of the above. Question. FSSA has set up a scientific panel on. Answer: all of the above. Next question. FSSA has issued an advisory banning the use of which material for wrapping and packaging of food items? Option: newspaper, plastic, polythene, none of the above. Question is: FSSA has issued an advisory banning the use of which material for wrapping and packaging of food item? Answer: newspaper. Next question. Regulator FSSA has joined hands with which organization to check misleading ads in the foods and beverages sector? Option: ASCI, ASDI, ASOA, ASBI. Question. Organization to check misleading ads in the food and beverages sector. Answer: ASCI or ASCI. Full form of ASCI is Advertising Standards Council of India. All these questions are very important. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.